Welcome, glad to see you. How are you doing today, huh? I want to welcome you and I want to formally invite you to participate in our pre-launch for the Eating for Success 28-day healthy transformational program. So, over the next 28 days, we're inviting you to help us out and help yourself out by participating in the Eating for Success Challenge, which is a journey that we can embark on together, where I will share the information that I've learned over the last 9 years of being vegan. I first started from studying the most high performers in innovation, entertainment, athletes, and business, and I discovered that the majority of them were vegetarians and vegans. So, over the next 28 days, we're going to open our minds and open our taste buds to eating healthy and nutritiously on a whole nother level. I first embarked on this journey when I began to study millionaires and billionaires and high performers in every category, and I kept running into a consistent theme that whether it was the high performers of business or even some of the most high performer athletes, even from the innovators in technology as well as the history makers throughout the world, the majority of them have all been vegan and vegetarian. It sparked my interest, and I began to learn how people that had high ambitions, big plans for their lives, or just wanted to live in their purpose and be their best selves, they all found that eating a plant-based diet, vegan or vegetarian, allows the body and the mind to receive a whole nother level of nutrients that provide a high level of energy, higher levels of focus and drive, ambition, creativity, as well as self-confidence. And of course, it's gonna make your body look right too. So go ahead and sign up. You'll receive an email shortly with the details of the pre-launch. And in exchange for you helping us out, we're going to provide you with the materials so that you can get started before the Eating for Success program hits the shelves. What makes our program different is we created a mobile app to go with the guide. And so this is where I would like your help, is to go ahead and participate in the pre-launch. Let me know the feedback about the app, about the program itself, about the meals, about your transformation. So just share your story with me and your experiences with me so that I can make the program better. When this thing hits the ground sometime this spring, you will have helped not only yourself to transform, but others by helping me through this pre-launch, okay? So, are you ready to get to the best you, huh? So we're gonna start eating better, feeling better, have much more energy, our mind is gonna be clear, and I'm gonna push you and drive you to become the best version of yourself, okay? All right, so let's get with it. I just got done cooking some delicious breakfast, so sorry that y'all missed out on this, but go ahead and sign up right now or follow along on Instagram and you can participate in the challenge. Every day I'm gonna be releasing the meals that I'm going to cook and fix for the next day so that you have enough time to get prepared for the next day's meal. So it'll be breakfast, lunch, dinner. Follow along. If you get the book in the app, then you could swap out different meals. You know, if you wanna eat something different than I eat, you're more than welcome to see what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna post my meals, I'm gonna post pictures, I'm gonna have videos, and I'm going to be creating the video tutorials that are going inside of the mobile app as we approach that launch date this spring, okay? So, you're in the right place. I'm glad that you found me. Go ahead and sign up. When it hits the shelves, the complete package is about $60 to $80, I believe, because there's a book, there's a journal, and there's a mobile app. But for participating in the pre-launch, you're gonna receive the ebook, the journal, and the access to the mobile app for a couple of months, because I really value your opinion, all for just $39.97, actually, less than $40. So let's go ahead and start our journey today. Let's get to our best lives. Let's start living life passionately and loving every day and feeling our best. in making our dreams turn to reality, okay? Dreams to Reality University, Eating for Success. Let's go. Visit DTRU.life now to participate in the Eating for Success pre-launch, where you'll receive a 28-day healthy diet program, which includes the 14-day Jumpstart Detox, the Seasonings That Heal Natural Remedies Guide, a journal to chart your transformation, and the Eating for Success mobile app. Start your year off by getting to your best life with the Eating for Success 28-day healthy diet transformation program. By using this book and mobile app, you'll be able to follow along with cooking tutorials and groundbreaking videos that edutain and open your awareness and understanding of food and nutrition differently. Engage with parents, business owners, models, athletes, and innovators who also use our Dreams to Reality University tools in their active pursuit of bettering themselves, achieving their goals in life and in health by joining our members section. Here, our members receive exclusive content only available to those eating for success, which includes new recipes, freebies, and merchandise updated monthly. Discover your next favorite dishes, new foods, and videos from experts and upcoming personalities. Participate in members-only challenges and earn rewards and gifts for your progress. You can even order groceries and have them sent to your home, all through the Eating for Success mobile app. Go to www.dtru.life and order yours today. Dreams to Reality University. Welcome to the best you.